Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are going to talk about Dollar General, the 5 off 20 with the 5 off 25. Obviously, Saturday is the best day to do these deals, but let's talk about some rules. So the biggest savings you'll get with these two coupons is on Saturday the 7th. All digital coupons are a one-time use, so if you used your 5 off 20 last week, it's a one and done per store card. Updated stores, this stack will not work, and I'm going to show you the difference between a non and an updated store. Typically, the non-updated stores, you will get one receipt. It's going to be a keypad behind the register. It's not going to be a touch screen, just like you have to pay attention. And definitely use that Dollar General app to scan. It's the new year, and they might get creative with the prices. So last weekend, I did one of my deals, and I got this basket to $4.25. That's winning in every way. And see that receipt, how it looks? That is a non-updated store. If it looks like an old receipt at the Dollar General. This is where it's not going to work. A receipt that's three separate ones. And if you look at the top, it looks like a self-checkout, even though it was done at a regular machine. This is an updated store, not going to work. So just be very, very mindful of that. Also, do not do these deals at self-checkout, and do not add them all to a basket or a list in an app and expect it'll work that way. You could just do it as a pickup. You got to do these in store in front of a cashier for them to work. Deal that we're going to look at is an any day deal. So if you can't head out on Saturday, this might be a deal for you. You're going to need to have this guy loaded, which is your 5 off 20. And we are going to get a basket of exactly $20 of Gain merchandise. Just to show you what the basket looks like, 2 of the Febreze Air Effect sprays with Gain. Look at the bottom where it says Gain. A bag of the flings for $7.50, and then 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners. We're going to load the following coupon: $3.25 off of 2 Mr. Clean products, $3.30 off of 2 Febreze products, and the $2 coupon for your flings. Looking at this overall basket, any day deal, 2 of the Mr. Clean for $6.50, 2 Febreze for $6.50, and 1 Gain pod for $7.50 for a grand total of $20.50. As your cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number. The cashier will hit the final pay button. 5 off 20 and $8.55 in digital coupons will come off. You're paying $6.95 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.39 per product. Now, here's the curveball, guys. A lot of people the week previous were going really hard with the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. If you cannot find it, if you could find these like magic erasers with the Gain logo, see where my thumb is? This coupon is attaching, so it's a little bit less. You'll just have to figure out the math again. Definitely open up that Dollar General app, scan. You're grabbing the right one. But this is just an alternative because that might be a tall order to find 2 of those cleaners, just to note that. Okay, so now we're going to look at deals for Saturday the 7th. This is deal number 1. We're going to load our 2 best friends, which is the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25. And by all means, guys, if you have these coupons, do one of these deals because they're fantastic. So we're going to grab 2 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain, 2 Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner with the Gain scent, 1 bag of the Gain flings, and then we're also going to grab a Burt's Bees charcoal toothpaste. If that charcoal toothpaste is not your thing, I have an alternative deal in the next slide. We're going to load the following coupons that include the $3.25 off of 2 for the Mr. Clean, the $3.30 off of 2 for the Febreze Air Effect, and the $2 for the Mr. Clean. Now, as I was talking about the Burt's Bees, here it is, right center, 12 o'clock, and we have this $2 digital. Please load it for this dealio. Let's remember we're shopping on the 7th, so 2 Mr. Clean products for $6.50, 2 Febreze with Gain products for $6.50, 1 Gain pod for $7.50, and 1 Burt's Bees for $5 for a grand total of $25.50. As the cashier scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 20 and 5 off 25 should come off, along with $10.55 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $4.95 for the 6 products, shaking it out to 82 cents per product. Guys, this right here is extreme couponing and kind of awesome. If you can head out on Saturday and you could follow my directions to look for the right store, by all means make it happen. Burt's Bees is not your thing and you're just like, I don't know about that, but Finish pods are yours. Grab this instead and load the $1.50 digital. Looking at the exact same basket, we're shopping on the 7th. Mr. Clean, 2 of them for $6.50, 2 of the Febreze for $6.50, 1 Gain pod for $7.50, 1 Finish tab for $4.95 for a new total of $25.45. As the cashier scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. Hits the final pay button, 5 off 20, 5 off 25 is coming off, along with $10.05 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $5.40 for the 6 items or 90 cents each. What a stupendous deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, we're still shopping on Saturday. We're going to load our 2 best friends, which is the 5 off 20 and the 5 off of 25. On an end cap, look for this product, which is a big, massive Gain softener. If you live in a smaller town, it might be $13.50 and some change, so just be mindful. $12.95 in most stores, but a little bit more in rural stores. And we're going to load this best friend, which is a $3 off right there in the picture, the Gain softener. So here's our bag of the Gain Flings for $7.50. And guys, make sure that you have this guy loaded, which is a $2 off digital coupon. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the Air Effect with Gain sprays. And they have 3 different scents. They have Moonlight Breeze, this one, and a blue one. I think it's called Aloha or something like that. And then this is the coupon we're loading, which is a $3.30 off a 2. Here's the deal. We're going again on the 7th. 1 of the massive fabric softeners for $12.95. 1 Gain Fling for $7.50. And then 2 of the Febreze Air Effect Gain scent for $6.50 for a grand total of $26.95. As the cashier scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. The cashier will hit the final pay button. 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 will come off, along with $8.30 in digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $8.65 for the 4 items, shaking it out to $2.16 per product. If you consider you're getting that massive fabric softener, this is a very good deal. So this final deal is for more advanced shoppers because it's kind of out there. We're going to load our 2 best friends, which is the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25. For this basket, we're going to grab 6 of the Febreze with Gain Air Effects and then 2 of the Mr. Clean products. You might have to shake it up, get a couple of this, get a couple of that, depending what your store has in stock. Now, with the Febreze in the January P&G, we have this coupon. And this is what you're going to do to ensure that things work out. You're going to get the cashier to scan 2 of the Air Effects, present a coupon, 2 Air Effects, present a coupon. If you present both of these coupons at the very end, only one will scan, so you have to do the stupid jog. And to answer a quick question, will it affect your balance? No, because until the cashier presses the final pay button, the math doesn't reconcile. So it doesn't matter the order that you're presenting these coupons. Just make sure you scan 2, present a coupon. Again, more advanced shoppers will know precisely what I'm talking about. I'm going to load these 2 coupons. It's $3.25 off of the Mr. Clean and then the $3.30 off of the Air Effect. Okay, here's the math, guys. Again, we're going on the 7th. 6 of those Febreze with Gain Air Effects for $19.50. Again, you're doing that stupid jog of 2 a coupon, 2 a coupon, and then 1's digital, so you don't have to worry about it. And then 2 of the Mr. Clean Gain products for $6.50 for a grand total of $26. Definitely punch in your phone number when the cashier's probably scanning those gains. And then the cashier will hit the final pay button. 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 will come off. You're paying also $6.55 will come off in digital coupons. And also considering those insert coupons that are also coming off. So you're paying $2.85 for the 8 or $35 per product. Again, this is the sort of deal you have to kind of be... You have to know your Dollar General really well to do this. And if you're at a store that will not, scan 2 items, scan a coupon, that also might be part of some static you'll get from this deal. But as per the verbiage of the coupon, you can use 2 of them per store per day. So I don't think you should have a problem. But if 2 are presented at the end, only 1 will scan. It's just the way that things get processed in that cash register. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.